Two questions that are very difficult for students to remember. The first question is how to ask about someone's appearance, and the second question is how to ask about someone's personality. For appearance, the first question is, what does he look like? Or what do they look like? Okay, it's with what and like together. The verb is look, so you need the auxiliary do. Okay, what does he look like? The answer could be he is tall and handsome, or he has black hair and blue eyes. Okay, what does he look like? The second question for personality, what is he like? So again, it's with what and like, but the verb to be. What is he like? He is funny and clever, quiet and studious. Okay, so what is he like? He is funny and clever. So those two questions, you need to practice them and learn them and study them to remember them. It's often confused with how is he? If in English you ask how is he, you're asking about that person's current temporary state. So, for example, how is he? The answer could be, he's fine. Thanks for asking. Okay, so how is he? He's fine. What does he look like? He's tall and handsome. What is he like? He is funny and clever. We can also use the construction what with like for other things, like what is your company like to work in? Or what is Alicante like to live in? Or, for example, what is the weather like? Okay, hope that was useful. My name is Sabrina Doherty from Inglés con Kirian. If you like that, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.